this video, I want to share how I turned a sewing skill into opportunities I never expected existed and how you can do same. Because the truth is this, your sewing skill may be much bigger than your sewing machine. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. Here we talk about sewing, businesses, opportunities, and how to build a better future using the skills you already have. So if you're new here, I say welcome. Do well to subscribe. If you have been following me, welcome back. As you watch, please like the video, drop your comments in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends, okay? So right now, let's get into today's topic. Years ago, I thought success in sewing simply meant having many customers. I believed that if I could sew beautiful clothes and get enough clients, everything would work out. But reality was different. Customers delayed payments, some negotiated price, some disappeared after collecting their clothes, some wanted expensive designs for very little money. And no matter how hard I worked, my income was, directly connected to how many clothes I could physically sew. Yes, that is to say, if I stopped sewing, the money stopped coming. Can you relate to this? You stop sewing, the money stops coming. Yes, many tailors live in that circle. You work every day, but you are always starting from zero each month. So one day I began asking myself, very important question, what else can this sewing skill do for me? That question changed everything. So the first opportunity I discovered was teaching. Yes, at first I didn't think I was qualified to teach anyone. I thought, only fashion schools could teach. Yes, I thought only fashion schools could teach sewing. But one day someone asked me to teach her. She asked me to teach her how to make a simple dress. Then another person asked, and another person. That was when I realized something powerful. Yes, what seems normal and ordinary to me was valuable to someone else. You see, you may know how to take measurements, you may know how to cut fabrics, how to draft patterns, you may understand finishing techniques, you may know how to sew neat sleeves and collars. These things may look ordinary to you because you do them every day. But to a beginner, that knowledge is valuable. So you can see, teaching became an opportunity. You could teach physically, you could teach online. You can organize weekend classes. You can create short tutorials. You can mentor beginners. So one tailor teaching 5 students can earn income while also building future opportunities. You see, so the second opportunity I discovered was content creation. Honestly, I never imagined that people would watch sewing videos. I never imagined it, earlier. I thought people only watched comedy, music, entertainment, and all those things. But then I realized millions of people searching for sewing solutions every day. People search for how to make sleeves, how to draft basic bodies, how to make simple dresses, how to start a sewing business and all that. People search for how to use sewing machines, how to price garments, how to get customers. Guys, your sewing knowledge can become content. You do not need expensive cameras. You do not need a large studio. You can start with just your phone. You can record while working. You can explain what you are doing. You can share mistakes you made. You can teach lessons you learned. People connect with real experiences. Okay? So imagine making one wedding gown and creating 5 videos from it. You might start with the measurement process, fabric selection, cutting, sewing, and the final result. One sewing job can become many opportunities. The third opportunity was building relationships. Many tailors only know customers, But sewing can introduce you to other fashion designers, to fashion celebrities, fabric sellers, event planners, schools, business owners, and entrepreneurs. So you see, I once met someone simply because of sewing, and that one connection later led to a very big opportunity for me. Yes. So you can see that you can do more from sewing other than just sewing clothes. Your skill can become your introduction. Never underestimate the people you meet through your work. So build relationships, okay? And the fourth opportunity is creating products. Think about it. If people always ask the same questions, you can create solutions. Yes, you can create sewing guides, you can create measurement books, you can create worksheets, you can create beginner manuals. All these things are things you can create. You can create pattern collections, you can create online classes. Okay? A tailor who creates products aims beyond physical sewing. So for example, if 20 people buy a sewing guide from you, you earn money without sewing 20 outfits. That changes the game. So another opportunity I discovered was personal branding. Many talented tailors remain unknown because they hide their work. Your skill deserves visibility. People buy from people they trust and people they know, okay? So remember, when people repeatedly see your work online, hear your voice, see your face, and learn from your experience, you become more than a tailor. You become an authority. You become a trusted voice. You become a brand. So you can see this, and opportunities begin to come looking for you. Someone may invite you to speak. Someone may ask you for collaboration. Someone may offer a partnership, and someone may recommend you. Yes. So you see, visibility creates opportunities. So now let me say something very important to you. You do not need to become everything at once. No. You do not need to start teaching, create courses, open YouTube channels, and organize classes immediately. No. Start with one step. Maybe teach one person. Maybe record one video. Maybe share one online lesson. Okay? Or maybe you write down one simple sewing guide. Small actions create big opportunities. The biggest mistake many skilled people make is waiting until everything is perfect. Perfect cameras, perfect shops, perfect confidence, perfect conditions. But opportunities often begin with imperfect beginnings. Yes, if you wait until you feel completely ready, you may wait forever. So today, ask yourself these important questions. What do I know that others want to learn? What problems can I solve? How can I share my knowledge? What opportunities am I ignoring? Because sometimes the blessings is not only in the skill. Sometimes the blessing is in what you do with the skill. If sewing is the only way you make money, your opportunities are limited. But if sewing becomes teaching, content creation, consulting, products, mentorships, and personal branding, your opportunities become endless. So you see, I never expected sewing to introduce me to new people. I never expected sewing to create teaching opportunities. I never expected sewing to become content. I never expected sewing to become influence. But it happened because I stopped asking, how can I sew more clothes? And I started asking, how can I create more value with sewing skill? So if you are watching this video today and you feel stuck, I want to encourage you. Your sewing skill is not small. Your knowledge is valuable. Your experience matters. And there may be opportunities around you that you simply have not noticed yet. Look beyond the sewing machine. Look beyond the measuring tape. Look beyond today's customers. Your sewing skill may be the key that opens doors you never expected. And your next opportunity may be much closer than you think. So if this video helped you, leave a comment and tell me one opportunity you want to explore with your sewing skill. Also, if teaching is what you want, but you don't know how to start, then join my Stitch to Success class for an affordable price. This is a class I intentionally created for anyone who has sewing skill and want to learn how to monetize his or her knowledge by teaching others. This is a step-by-step guide where you will learn all the secrets, where you will learn the hacks to help you monetize your sewing knowledge. So if this is something you would love, then send a message to the WhatsApp number you can see on the screen, or click the link you see in the description box. It says join Stitch to Success community, and that will bring you directly to my DM. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we talk about sewing, business, opportunities, and how to build a better future using the skills you already have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.